35 million he estimated.
Just been briefed on the elevated Princess Road water infrastructure project, Suva. It's quite a critical project, and not only critical but also historical. So we're looking at $35 million with this project, which will connect the pipeline from the Sawani Junction to here and then downward towards the Khalsa Road Junction. So it will also involve installation of 2 extra tanks here, which will alleviate the water issues in elevated areas such as Tamavua, Sakol, etc. And as a government, this is something which we have been looking forward to, which I have also impressed upon the Water Authority of Fiji to in terms of the hastening of this project. And I'm very pleased with the work of Water Authority of Fiji that this is now at the tender stage. And with the current progress, we're looking at finalizing that by October, November, and then contract awarded for this project to proceed with a timeline of 24 months because it's quite a huge project with an estimated budget of $35 million. And we're looking forward to the start of this project and to the conclusion in 2 years' time. And it is an extension of what has been a major project in terms of the Viria water project and the intake. And as a government, whatever government comes in, we need to work quickly to extend the pipelines to our population, alleviate water issues here, especially in Suva and the greater Suva area, Lami and Nosori. And this is part of the work which is currently being done, which is very, very significant as far as water services to our peoples are concerned.
Di Kansas the Minister of Forestry di Colo-i-Suva quando si sta lì, no? Non ho